Allah Almighty says, when the call is made for the prayer on Friday, Surah Jummah, verse 9. Atta said, when you are in a village and the call to Jummah Friday prayer is made on Friday, it is necessary for you to present yourselves for performing the Friday prayer, whether you have heard the call to the prayer or not. And Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu sometimes performed the Friday prayer in his house palace and sometimes did not perform it, and his house was at Zawiya, at a distance of 2 leagues. Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, people would come to perform the Friday prayer in turn from their houses and awali. They would come through dusty path. They would be covered with dust and damp, with perspiration because sweat would exude from their bodies. One of them came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was along with me at that time. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I wish you would clean yourselves up today. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 902.